This video is to show you how to rename a company file for QuickBooks and to use that rename file in your chapter exercises and your end of chapter cases. As you can see, each chapter have the same number of files. You have same files in chapter 1 as in chapter 2, as in chapter 3, and as in chapter 4, and so on. For example, you have Christine Rayner, Interior Design. For chapter 1, you have a chapter 2, Christine Rayner, Interior Designs. You have a chapter 3, Christine Rayner, Interior Designs. Chapter 4, and so on and so forth. We're going to work with Chapter 1, Christine Rayner, Interior Design. So I just want you to click on that file one time to select it. Once you have selected the file, I want you to right-click on that file and click on the word Copy. Once you click on the word Copy, I want you to go to anywhere on your screen where there's not a picture or a word. Right-click on that and then click on Paste. Now, when you click on paste, it's going to paste that file for you. And you will see the word copy. You may have to scroll up and scroll down so that you can see the file called Chapter 1, Christine Rayner, Interior Designs. Copy. Now, the word copy is that file that you have just copied. So we're going to right-click on it. And we're going to click on the word rename. And we're going to click behind the Y and before the period in the word copy, and we're going to backspace. So we're backspacing the word copy, the space before the word copy, the hyphen, and the space before the hyphen. Using our left arrow key on our keyboard, we're going to do the left arrow over and get rid of the CH in CH1. We're going to put in a new name, which is we're going to use EX for 1. EX1, and I'm using my right arrow key to get behind the 1. I'm using my space bar. And I'm using my space bar to put in my name, and I'm just going to type in my name, space, and then I'm going to press the enter key. Now, when I do that, I have just renamed the company file. The company file is now EX1, my name, Christine Rayner, Interior Design. EX1 tells me that's the chapter that I'm working with. And then, of course, my name tells me whose company it is. So now I'm going to double click on Christine Rayner. It's going to open up QuickBooks. And our version of QuickBooks is always going to ask you to do this download or update or whatever. And we're going to click on Install later. And when you do that, QuickBooks open up. If you get this particular screen, just close this up. And you can get rid of this as well by clicking on the collapse pane. And we're going to look for the word company. So here's company on my menu. I'm going to click on company. I'm going to come down to company information. And here I'm going to give this file the same name I just gave it, EX1. I'm using my arrow keys as I did before. Type in my name. And then I'm going to click on the OK button, or I can press enter. And this is my file that I'm going to be working with. So this is what you want to do every time you get ready to work on a company in whatever chapter you're in. You want to rename that company file. You want to give that company file your name, the exercise name, and the chapter that is referencing. And then you want to go in and make the changes according to the assignments and the cases that are to do at the end of each chapter. Good luck.